Let's do some effects. Marunong pa ba ako? What's up? So ngayon, try natin mag-vlog. So hindi ko nadala yung camera, USB na camera ko, kaya wala akong choice, dinala ko tong malaking camera. So anyway, na-miss ko to. Yan, bokeh, ang ganda ng ano natin. So mag-feature tayo ng bike ni Sir Alex. Okay, come.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a...
Nakita natin si Sir Alex and Anong. Woo! Anong first? Sunod tayo. Dito tayo sa drop. Harap. Nice. Then we're going to the berms. Now, how long have you been doing this trail?
1 year plus.
1 year plus, ah. Okay. How about you, Sir Alex?
Same.
Same, ah.
Yeah.
Okay. Uy!
Careful. Oh.
Pakinat. No speed, ah. Balik tayo sa starting point. Uy! Sir! Morning, sir.
Nice.
Ayan. Uy! Dito na lang ako. Woo! Sarap! Iko, grabe.
Bye.
Hindi ko kaya. Wala talagang speed. One round. Yes, sir. Uy. May aksidente doon. Nadali siya doon sa may kicker. Di ba dito ako tumitira sa may kanan? Sa may left side. Ayokong tirahin yung kasi masyadong mataas. Kasi may nadali nga ngayon. Parang dislocated yata yung shoulder niya. Family sila nagbabay. Sana okay naman. Sana walang bali. Okay. Bike! Practice lang. So I'm practicing and this is the first time I'm going to do a proper vlog. So yun nga. Bike natin. Okay, so we're done with the session. So too bad I wasn't able to play this big jump because yeah, no one is playing. So I'm afraid to play if no one is here downstairs. So if you get an accident, no one will be able to see you and no one can help you lah. So yep. So now last time we did a bike check of my bike. Now I traded that bike 1-to-1 trade with my Polygon D7, and this is what I got. This is the V2 Summit 2018. So it's 2018 frame, but it's a bit okay. The geometry, I like the geometry. So it has Dior 12 speed, but I'm planning to change it to XT soon because as of now I'm still satisfied. It's very solid and there's no delay. But SLX cassette, SLX crankset, and then I put the MRP chain guide, and then RockShox CRE 170mm. So that's why a lot of travel is very good on the play that I want to do lah. And then the Snook Proof Horizon V2, and then this is Magura MT5 and MT4. See, you going back? So going back, so I changed the handlebar to E13 25mm rise because it's too high already. So it's 25mm is okay for me. And this is a DMR stem, so it's quite nice now. Okay, I'm still waiting for my grip and a wolf tooth dropper. So basically that's it. So I'm really satisfied with this, but someone is trying to trade, or I'm trying to trade this with Specialized Enduro FSR 2019. So I hope I can get the deal. Okay, so that's it for our quick vlog today. So see you again next time. Peace.